Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share where we can get a battery for a fraction of the price. We can buy 3 batteries instead of 1, and they're amazing quality. We're going to share that with you as we go. Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a BMW 3 Series, that generation E90 E91 E92 E93. If you want to see how to program car batteries, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. It's not very complicated, and that tool, guys, we want to talk about it a little bit. That's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. Okay, instead of going to the dealership, you can program keys, you can retrieve pin codes, you can do programming, multiple things. Okay, so it's definitely a must-have tool if you own a vehicle, guys. It can pay itself off in one-time use. So let's go ahead and explain how to do that now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We work on Mercedes, BMW, German, American, Asian vehicles, all kind of vehicles. Why we make these absolutely free videos? To save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 14,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, what we need to do now, how you can program it, let's go ahead and explain that now. We're going to come here. Okay, we just installed a new battery on that BMW, guys. Okay, new battery right there was installed. So what we're going to do now, we're going to come to the driver's side, and you need to find your OBD port, guys. Okay, and once you find your OBD port, okay, let me show you where you can find it. Here it's usually on the side. Okay, let me get the camera quick. Okay, and I need to get the key as well for the car, so we can start it. And here the OBD cover, you pull it, you will say OBD right there, usually like this one. Okay, just pull it. On many BMWs will be here, on some will be under the dash, but go ahead, pull that, connect the scanner here, and okay, it's going to plug in, it's going to read the voltage here on the side as well. And what we're going to do now, guys, we'll come inside the vehicle. Okay, perfect. We'll push the key in. Do not start the car for anything. Just don't press the brake pedal. Press that key one time, okay, to see the lights on. Okay, that's perfect. Now we're going to go ahead, and here I want to show you, okay, a few other things. That's the scanner right there that we'll be using. Here, what you need to do, we'll go to special functions. Under special functions, we need to do BMS reset. Do you see right here? We have quite a few special functions with that too. We can access any module. Okay, and here is set BMS diagnosis. Please wait. Okay, we're going to click BMW 3 Series. Ours, guys, is E90 right here. Turn on the ignition. Okay, it's on. And it's communicating now. Check it out. It's communicating. It's good to reset your codes after battery replacement because you have all kind of codes, guys. So now it's communicating, connecting. It will take a little bit of time. Failed to communicate. So let me go ahead and see, okay, if it's going to read it again. I'm going to restart the ignition switch. Okay, perfect. Turn on ignition. 1 second because I dropped the computer here. Okay, let's see if it's going to communicate now and if it's going to establish connection. So guys, this is amazing too, but we need to update it too. I never had a problem on BMWs. I usually work on newer ones, but on this one specifically, I need to run an update. I think we'll be able to do it, but I'll get my Foxwell here, which is amazing. Autel can do it as well, but here you click in BRT, okay, but that's battery registry. You select that one, okay, and you run to BMW, select that 3 Series, okay, E90, select that one, enter, establishing vehicle communication, please wait, okay, you can hear it kind of clicking, record battery replacement instruction, execute record of battery replacement. So let's see what it says here. Okay, why record battery replacement? It tells you all about that, why you should do that and all that stuff. If you want, you can read through it. Okay, I'm going to scroll down, and now, so we're going to go right here. Okay, let's go back, execute, read, record of battery replacement, enter. Now this is a great tool which is very inexpensive with many special functions as well. And now record battery replacement here, select that. In the next step, the battery replacement is recorded in the DME, the engine doesn't run, and the terminal 15 is turned on. Terminal 15 means that the ignition switch is on where your lights are on but the car is not running. Select now OK, that will be F1. Okay, the battery is 90 amp hours, hours 2. So here, input, battery replacement, same quantity of electricity. Okay, so it will be number 1. Okay, let's see F1. It will be this one. Okay, so it will be F3. It will be communicating there. So it's going in there now, and all we have to do, okay, wait. Battery replacing successfully is recorded in the DME, Digital Motor Electronic System. The following is now being entered in the DME at 220,000 kilometers. The last second battery replaced. Nobody registered battery replacement on that vehicle, but you can see we registered it. So we're practically done, guys. All we have to do, recycle the key, and if you check it later, you can check the history and it will be there. So that's how you guys register battery on BMW 3 Series E90 E91 92 93. Not very complicated, guys. If you want to see how we're going to do all kind of things, we took the whole car apart. We have, guys, okay, more than 4,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check it out. 14,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. We have more than 1,000 videos on that car alone that will teach you how to do almost anything. Check it out. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.